So what is up guys, welcome to HT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel. And as you can see that the iPhone 11s, or you can say the 2019 iPhone lineup, is already leaked so much that we basically have the final phone's prototype before 3 months of its release. As you can see, from 1 year we are seeing these leaks regarding this iPhone of the triple lens square camera design, but now there is nothing much to see. If you'll see, except for the ultra wide angle lens, there is not much is going to be changing. So but we already now have reports regarding the 2020 iPhones. So guys, I thought that it is necessary to tell you guys about the 2020 iPhones. I know it's a bit tricky that the 2019 iPhones are not yet out, and why can we even talk about the 2020 iPhone's design. But guys, as the rumors and everybody has started to give leaks regarding the new, or you can say the upcoming year's iPhones. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, let's clear the size option. The Taiwanese site Digitimes believe that Apple will release 3 OLED iPhones in 2020 in 5.42 inches, 6.06 inches and 6.67 inches. Apple analyst Min-Chi Kuo, who often has accurate info about Apple's plan, has also said that Apple will increase 3 OLED devices that include high-end 5.4 and 6.7 inch models along with a lower-end 6.1 inch model. Now let's talk something about the laser-equipped 3D camera sensing technology. This is a really big name, but as its name is bigger, its function is even twice greater than its name. In 2020, Apple is said to be planning to add a laser-powered time-of-flight 3D rear camera that will result in significant improvements to AR experience to the iPhone. A time-of-flight (TOF) camera system uses a laser to calculate the time that it will take for the laser to bounce off the object in the room using the data to create an accurate 3D image of the surrounding area. This allows for more accurate depth precision and better placement of virtual objects, and it will also result in photos with better depth sensing quality. The camera will be able to scan areas up to 15 feet from the device. Apple's front-facing True Depth camera uses 3D technology, but because it's infrared and not laser-powered, it only works at a short distance, or you can say a distance of approximately 25 to 50 centimeters. Sony could be Apple's supplier for the new system, with Apple in talks with Sony over sensor tests. The camera will be triple lens camera, with Apple also planning to introduce improved photo capturing tools. Now is the topic we should be a lot pumped for, or like there is a lot of hype for this topic, and that of course guys, it's the 5G ability. 5G was originally planned to use Intel's 5G chips in the 2020 iPhones due to an ongoing lawsuit with Qualcomm, but Intel extended the 5G chip market. Apple settled its disagreement with Qualcomm and will now be using Qualcomm's 5G chipset in the 2020 iPhone lineup. Apple may also use some modem chips from Samsung in select markets where sub 6 Hz, or you can say 6 GHz networks are more popular for its 2020 5G iPhones. The rumored 5.4 and 6.7 inch iPhone options are set to be supported to 5G speeds, while the lower end 6.1 inches iPhone in 2020 will continue to work with LTE. All new iPhones are expected to support 5G in 2021, and by 2022 or 2023, Apple could have its own 5G chip ready, alternating the need for the company to rely on Qualcomm. Now let's talk something regarding the OLED technology in the future iPhones. The iPhone XR successor in 2019 iPhone may be the last iPhone to feature an LCD display, as Apple is said to be likely to translation to an all OLED lineup starting in 2020. According to the Wall Street Journal, Apple will adopt OLED display to allow more flexible handset design. Apple designers are said to be aiming to remove most of the external ports and buttons on the iPhone for a clean streaming device. Now let's talk something regarding the Apple's A14 chipset. Rumors suggest that TSMC will manufacture the 5nm chips Apple will use in its 2020 iPhone lineup. The 5nm process will produce chips that are smaller, faster, and more battery efficient due to improved thermal management. Touch ID. Let's talk about this biggest thing that people want to ask, that will Face ID truly replace the Touch ID, or is Touch ID coming back in the future? Barclays analyst Brian Curtis has suggested the 2020 iPhones could feature agnostic fingerprint reading technology for full-screen Touch ID. It's not clear if Apple is planning for this kind of transition to take back Touch ID. However, so the accuracy of this rumor is up in the air. So guys, I think it's too much. I think that getting so much information regarding an iPhone which is going to come in 2020, it really is a big deal. So guys, many of you will just think that why I'm focusing more on the 2020 iPhone lineup, but in reality the 2019 iPhone lineup is not yet declared. But guys, as everybody knows that the whole internet is filled with the iPhone 11's rumors, and we are basically come up to the point where the iPhone 11's prototype, or you can say how it's going to be and what it's going to change, we already know before its launch. So guys, hope so you have liked this video. It's very basic knowledge regarding the 2020 iPhone lineup, and we'll get its more update in the later part of 2019 and in the early 2020. So guys, again, thanks for watching this video. I'm making quite a lot of videos nowadays, so if you want to stay tuned with the track, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video with people who know are really interested in this kind of topics. So guys, again, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.